Great comics are made from great visions. And now, I would like to invite one such great visionary on stage, Mr. Subramaniam, CEO of Chandamama. Subbu, as he is lovingly I will now request Mr. Subbu to please speak on future of Chandamama.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll probably take a few minutes because there's a lot of things that we can do. But one of the things that I've never been able to do is to get the laptop and the screen working when you wanted to. So just give me a few minutes. Himself so enormously well after 60 years. So thank you very much for coming, sir. I promised to make a presentation. So before people start yawning, I promised to make it very short. The bunny has been the symbol of, and as we go forward, that's probably the route that we want to take. So what do we have? Just to give you a sense of what the size means, what this 12,000 really means, if we give on our online, not going forward, with the current content, I can sustain for 33 years. We rejuvenate print, and I'm happy to share with you that and I can also tell you with all honesty that it's not because of any great heroics that my team worked. We want to create a community of constituents, parents, children, this kind of community. We leverage the content, and as I told somebody, they do not. They consume more content these days. It's just that the content that they consume on CD, DVDs, mobile, radios. Later in the day, I could even demonstrate to you the internet radio Chandamama stories that we recently launched. Bottom line, in my view, learning values of life, having fun. I used to have fun. After I took over, what I was told was, I became the CEO of Chandamama because I love Chandamama.
Thank you, Subbu. Future of Chandamama sure seems to be bright. I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Vishwanathan Reddy, editor publisher of Chandamama for past 4 decades, but he is also the son of legendary founder publisher Mr. Nagirathan Reddy.
This is an occasion, an event I have been looking forward to. All these 10 years of trials and tribulations I have gone through to keep brand Chandamama alive. Friends, please forgive me if I sound arrogant when I claim literature, you have your own epics, your own scriptures. My only appeal to you all is to see that, try and appreciate our own literature, our own heritage, our own culture. This is what Chandamama does. Maybe, I may sound a cynical person, but still, what I am trying to appeal to you.
महफिल सजी है आपके आने से, लोगों का आपका इंतजार है और सुनने के लिए लोग बेकरार हैं। आइए अमित जी, आपका ही इंतजार है। मैं कॉल अपॉन मिस्टर अमिताभ ऑन स्टेज।
अरे क्या कर रहे तुम? सेंटर में आइए। अमित जी सर, अमित जी ये साइड में सर यहाँ वो प्लीज।
I now request Mr. Vishwan to present the copy of Chandamama so that we can
सेंटर प्लीज सर।
सर यहाँ पे सर
अमित जी सर, अमित जी राइट में
सर चंदमामा बताइए।
यस सर। अभी हाँ सर, अमित जी यहाँ पर सर, अमित जी यहाँ प्लीज। हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी अमित जी यहाँ
सर यहाँ पे सर
अमित जी सेंटर में सर। एक मिनट जाने दो
Mr. Bachchan, could you please say
Organization for inviting me here this evening and making me a part of this very historic event.
बिल्डर भाई हटो ना यार।
सर इस तरफ सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पर सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पर सेंटर में
हाँ
सेंटर सर
अरे बूम रुको
सर रुकिए सर सेंटर
अरे नाना, अरे लेट जाओगे क्या?
अरे तू छूट कर यार, क्यों ये हाथ हिला रहा है?
बहुत नीचे बैठ जाना। चलो नीचे बैठ जाना।
अरे आ सर साइड दो
एक मिनट आप लोग जरा आइए प्लीज। यहाँ